Hi guys, it's Peter Barraclough here from PJB Construction. Yeah, today I've purchased this new Dewalt multi-tool. It's the DCS 355NT. It's a bare tool that came, no battery, no charger. Yeah, it comes in this T-stack carry case. Very handy. Yeah, so there's the tool itself. I already had this 4 amp battery. It's got a brushless motor on there, 18 volt XR brushless. And these are some of the other accessories that came with it. Obviously the sanding triangle block, quite a whack of sandpapers there. This is the HCS wood blade. There's 2 of them there, and the bimetal blade for cutting nails and possibly even screw heads. This is part of the dust extraction unit that screws onto the front nose of the multi-tool. Here is a half round grout removal tool for removing grout and tiles. Yeah, and multi-purpose half round fine tooth cutting blade there. This is part of the roller guard. This screws onto the front section over here, and then this roller goes in there. It's just for if you want to cut off a flat wall or something. It's got various angles. It goes in this unit over here. And yeah, obviously the instruction manuals. Another attachment that I'm busy using at the moment is this knife blade. Extremely handy. I'm busy cutting up these big sections of carpets over here, and it's been a great help. Cutting them into square sections just to make storage a bit easier, and it literally slices through like a knife and butter. I was originally using those scissors over there, and yeah, I think after 2 squares my hands were totally shot. Yeah, so we're just going to get a bit of footage of the carpet cutting, and yeah, we'll do some more videos in the nearby future where I've got some many uses for this great Dewalt tool.